It's a V6 Mustang, single turbo. It's a 6R80. It's a 66 millimeter. It says it spools pretty quick. He's driving to 8,000. Obviously some weight reduction. Alright, you guys know this car. C5. It's a 5.3 swap. Cathedral port heads with a single turbo. He's like 12 to 13 PSI. It's a 4L60. It's built tranny. So I think you do a 40 or 50 roll. So 11 pounds. How much power is that?
Maybe 530.
11 PSI is 530?
Yeah.
It's not bad. You got a rag or a towel or something or no? If you don't, it's no big deal. I'll use my shirt.
No, no.
Alright, you're good to go. You're on the right.